Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make egusi. Egusi is what it's called. I have the melon seed here. I'm going to be toasting the melon seed till it's brown a little bit. This is what I'm doing, and then after I've toasted it, this is what it looks like. I'll be placing that in a blender, and I'm going to be blending habanero pepper and some onions with it, and a little bit of red bell pepper. This is what it looks like, blended smooth, blend it till smooth, add it to the pot, and then add some palm oil, a little bit of palm oil. Be adding some grounded crayfish. You can get a grounded crayfish from the African store. Adding some chicken seasoning to the pot. Okay, and then I'll be adding some salt, just a little bit of salt, and then I'll be adding the pre-cooked and air-fried meats I had in the fridge. Added smoked fish, smoked shrimp to the pot. Then I added some beef stock and covered it up, and that's all that's needed to cook the soup. Very delicious. You can eat it with fufu and anything else.